Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the clip so tracking has stable data. Make sure motion blur is off and the clip is trimmed to the tracking range. Once done, create a null object named trackNull to receive the solve. This keeps your comp non-destructive. Next, open the tracker panel, click Track Motion, and place a clear high-contrast track point on your subject. You want a defined pattern and surrounding search region for accurate matching. With the point placed, refine the regions. Shrink the feature box to the smallest reliable pattern and expand the search region to cover expected movement. Then enable rotation or scale if the target tilts or changes size. That models real-world perspective. Click Analyze Forward and pause to inspect markers every few seconds. If you see drift, stop and correct frames manually by nudging the feature box so the solver Once the track looks solid, click Edit Target and choose your track null. Then apply the tracking data to X and Y so the null follows the motion. Now parent your graphic or layer to the null, or pre-compose and position it to match perspective. If you get drift, retrack smaller segments, mask out occlusions, or stabilize the clip first. These fixes reduce cumulative error. Finally, render a short test to confirm sync before batching the full comp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.